What's up, guys? Been a long weekend with Kentucky Bassing. Go check out his channel. We went fishing, caught a few. Like I said, check out his channel because I didn't get any videos. Gonna go fishing at the creek right now. Hopefully we catch. We're not gonna catch very big fish. Just gonna let you know. Just gonna be probably hybrid bluegill and little bitty bass. So let's go catch some fish at the creek. Hey guys, down here at the creek, you can see it behind me. I'm gonna use this just old cheap rod, but we're in the creek, so what the heck. Gonna wade down in the water to get to the good spots. Taking y'all with me. Hopefully don't mess up my camera. Wish us luck. Guess it's time to get in. It's not that bad. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Hopefully there's a fish up in there. Okay, so I'm not really sure what just happened. A bunch of dogs just took off up in the woods. I've never seen them before in my life, but I guess anything can happen down here, so we're just going to keep on walking down, and gosh, these bugs are insane. Let's catch y'all in a minute. This spot over here is pretty good, so I think if you cast over here. Yeah, wait. Oh no, I missed it. Little bass, little bitty babies. They want it bad. Their little mouths just can't. They just hook. What is that? There's a largie. There's a largie. I don't know what's going on. These fish are about an inch long, so they can't even get these little baby hooks in their mouths. So we're gonna head up down the creek. Okay guys, so I can't take these bugs. I've got about 100 in my eyes. This fishing video isn't gonna be very long. I'll talk to y'all when I get back to the pool, because I'm just ready to get back there. So I know I can leave whenever I want to, so I'll talk to y'all here in a little bit. Okay guys, so weird things happened on this trip. I really don't know why. A pack of dogs came down here. I stared them right in the eyes. I don't even know whose they are. They had collars on, so I guess they're not wild. Didn't catch anything. I'm sorry I didn't last very long. These bugs are driving me insane. I've got about 15 in the eye. I don't know how I'm going to do this video. It might just be one. And it probably just won't be very long. So, thank you for your cooperation with this poorly thought out video. My gosh. We're going to get the heck out of here.